The world as we know it has changed. The outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic has revealed the need for a more efficient, consistent, and automated technological system, thereby necessitating a rethink in the business and operating process for many industries. As a result, there's been a significant surge in digital transformation all over the world. Even the legal industry, that has responded to past crises with characteristic caution and an expectation of return to normalcy, has been caught in this web. In legal industries far and wide, adjustments have been made, cultures have been redefined, and there have been positive regulatory responses like practice directions and national bills to accommodate technology in the legal space. However, all of this is happening so fast, one could lose its grip. In order to prevent this from happening, and in ensuring that you successfully transition into the new normal, while law and technology are intertwined, Law Pavilion Business Solution, in conjunction with Telnet, has designed a catalog of products that will fast-track your technological interactions within the legal system and also greatly enhance the productivity of all legal stakeholders while assuring your experience is smooth and satisfying. One of these products is Court Manager Assured. Court Manager Assured is an application that allows you to conduct all court activities, including filing of processes, documenting court proceedings, preparing the court list, notification of court adjournment dates, and so much more, just with a click of a few buttons on your preferred device and at your preferred time and location. Using various court scenarios, the following examples will show you just how efficient and applicable Court Manager Assured is. 1. Painstakingly curating the court diary to help prepare the court list can be a Herculean task for a court secretary. However, Court Manager Assured has been designed to daily automate and update the matters for each day in court by generating a court list through the scheduling and docket management system. Court Manager Assured would also send notifications to all parties involved automatically on every day change in course of a proceeding. 2. Documenting court proceedings in longhand without a recorder, especially while the counsel is conducting trial, leaves the judge weary after long hours of writing. Well, not anymore. With Court Manager Assured's inbuilt audio recording feature, proceedings are captured and automatically saved for future references. 3. The possibility of a filed process, for example an application, going into the wrong court file when done manually is very high. However, Court Manager Assured will electronically handle uploading the documents in a case, safely store them in the respective case file, and make them easily accessible and retrievable when needed. 4. The absence or inability of a counsel to be physically present in court while in the middle of a matter would automatically result in adjournment, thereby keeping the matter in court longer than it should be. The current experience with the lockdown due to COVID-19 is also instructive in this regard. The Court Manager Assured addresses this need through its remote hearing feature, which helps the judge to connect to all the parties involved in a matter via a video conferencing facility and hear the matter remotely. The record of the proceeding is also automatically saved under the matter as part of proceedings. 5. The Court Manager has integrated an e-registry system, which provides an easy and seamless upload of court processes. With e-filing, counsel can upload his document signed, sealed as expected by him and submitted for assessment by the registrar. The registrar is notified of a new document via mail and assesses the document. After the assessment of the document, notification is sent to counsel to make payment. Payments are made within the application and confirmation of payment is sent to the registry. The documents are afterwards served on the parties in the matter through e-service. And finally, 6. Furthermore, Court Manager Assured is embedded with end-to-end security, reliability, and high availability to deliver a service that always meets your needs without stress or worries. What this means is Court Manager Assured removes the headache of how to stay connected with other users, ensures only authorized users get secured access, ensures the integrity and safety of your precious data with state-of-the-art security, and provides remote hearing sessions that are encrypted and delivered in ultra-high definition to ensure every part of the session is engaging, fulfilling, and lifelike. These real-life examples have not only proven the credibility and functionality of Court Manager Assured, but they've also shown that with Court Manager Assured, you can literally manage your court from anywhere in the world.